PayPal account number check. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can check PayPal account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically check your PayPal account number, the one thing you have to understand here is that PayPal account number are only available if you have enabled direct deposits. So if you have direct deposits enabled inside of your PayPal account, then you will have an account number. But if you're talking about people wanting to send you money and maybe you want to get and transfer, receive money like that, PayPal doesn't use a separate account number or an ID. What PayPal uses is your email address to send you money. Your email address is your account identity that people and other PayPal users can use to send you money. So you can actually check your email address by tapping the three lines option after going to paypal.com and going to settings from here. Then under account you will probably find your email address here, and under the email address, that basically is your PayPal account number. There will not be a separate account number. Email address is the thing that you use to identify PayPal accounts. So I hope this video helped you clarify the questions. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.